We are getting packed up.
Oh, I hear you folks.
Welcome to our new kitchen. That's what you got right there, everybody.
Oh, yes. He's giving the beds a shakedown. Make sure nobody left anything.
Here.
All right, everybody, y'all sure you got all your stuff, right?
Yeah, take the key.
Here we go. It's definitely cooler this morning.
We stopped at the Waffle House, but they had locked themselves out. The whole crew.
They're waiting on the
Outside.
locksmith.
The locksmith got to come here too.
We are now trying IHOP. Looking promising. Yes! Those look good. Look at that.
I want this one.
French toast sticks?
Yep.
Okay. They have pumpkin spice pancakes and a pumpkin spice cold foam cold brew.
Clutch coffee.
A straw in your ice drink. That hot coffee for you.
Thank you.
Thank you guys. Y'all have a great day.
You too.
Thank you.
It looks like a Gatorade, you know, with the lightning bolt. And then that could almost look like a G with that. Let's try this Clutch coffee.
It looks like a good coffee.
Yes, you can taste the coffee. I hate when I get a latte and it just tastes like, you know,
She's
caramel
right.
milk. This one you can taste the coffee.
Clutch did it. Change your gear and let's go. Farm.
Hall Family Farm. Corn maze, pumpkins, hayride, playground, apple, cider, Manly, donuts. And a close-up of Dad. Woo! They have a lot of stuff here. Goat walk, hayride, kid walk, kid zone, big small corn maze. The coffee cottage. I knew I smelled coffee. They have Hall's Kitchen here and bakery over there. They have gem mining right here.
He'll hook them up right here.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
You got it, Minnie Mac? You gonna go that way? You gotta pull your thing up, Annie.
It's seriously fun.
Yeah. Woo! I see you, yeah. There he goes.
Brother Scott right here beside me. He's the main man right there, Tyler.
Tell him that's Brother Scott that you're always talking about that loves onions.
That's
He
him.
loves onions.
That's the man right there.
Onion man.
He loves onions. I mean, he talked about it at church this morning. He's hooked on onions.
Corn maze. We only have 20 minutes to complete the corn maze.
We can do it.
Yes, we can.
All kids gather around.
Yeah, that's what
Walkie-talkie. Each get one of these. Here's the deal, Pickles. You'll enter right there. Come out the same way you come in. Capiche? Capuche? Capache. You're capache. You're capuche. You're capiche. All right, now listen. When you get in there, what are you gonna do? I'm glad you asked. You must be the brains of the operation. When you get in the maze, most of you, when you get in the maze, you're looking for 8 signposts. 8. Okay. Each signpost will show you where one of the stickers appears. All right. Whatever.
And no cheating.
No,
Are we doing teams this year? Who's
you can do that.
Sissy's got the teams.
Here we go. Okay, team up.
He's gone.
Wait, Manny. We gotta put this on the right spot. Jonah, we got another one over here.
It goes down here.
What is that? Okay, come on. You're looking for another sign, Manny. Come on, Tyler.
There!
Oh, we found another one, Jonah.
A leg.
A leg. Okay, good. Here, can you find the leg? Which leg is this leg?
No! What is that?
Wait, Manly, you're on our team. You're on our team. Come back. Manly. We already found that one. Come on.
Don't worry.
You got the shoulder or something or other?
I'm coming.
Oh, it's the bottom part of the shield.
We need the bottom part.
That's not the right one. We have one more to find and we cannot find it. It's got to be on that side because we changed it this way. We got it. Go, 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 go.
Got that! Beat 'em up!
They were looking. I was just holding the camera.
Y'all
Thank
too,
you.
Thank you.
Good job, team.
Welcome home, everybody. It is now Monday, and we're gonna make these new super pretzel, Bavarian soft pretzel sticks for lunch. I have some cheese dip. We're also gonna make a buffalo dip and a mustard dip to go with them. A lot of y'all were wondering about these, so we're gonna try them out for you. You can cook them in the oven, air fryer, or microwave. We'll go with the oven. It doesn't take long. Once the oven preheats, they only need to go in there for about 5 to 7 minutes. It says that these pretzel sticks, it's what your meal is missing. The cheese dip we don't have to do anything with. We already just have this Fritos cheese dip. It says if desired, moisten pretzel sticks with a small amount of water and sprinkle the sticks with about a half teaspoon of salt per stick. It did come with the little salt packet. And then cook them. So I'll get these on the pan and then we'll put a little bit of water on them and put the salt.
Hey,
Hello.
get more.
I'm gonna warm up this cheese dip too, so we'll put it in one of these.
Hey, John, come here.
For the next one, I'm gonna use mayonnaise and just a little bit of the mustard. And in this one, we're gonna put a little brown sugar. This is kind of like the sauce that I make for those hoagies, the sausage and pepper hoagies. Buffalo ranch for the next one, or spicy ranch, because this is a green jalapeno hot sauce. We got this from the farmer's market. So we're gonna put ranch dressing and a little bit of the hot sauce. This is pretty spicy.
Hey, Mama.
Huh?
Where's this good?
She was just in here a second ago. Oven's ready. They'll go in here for just 7 minutes. So there's nothing inside the pretzel stick. Some people were wondering about that. It's just the bread. That's it, just the pretzel. They're really good. This one's spicy ranch, Sissy. That's my favorite.
Spicy ranch.
Yeah.
That's also my favorite.
Yeah, it's really good.
See how